702. Dad, put the window down. Whoa! 107.
And he's stopping right where I told you he was gonna stop.
Wait, I think it's a P-42. It's leaving. And then I feel like once this train leaves, that train is gonna leave, and that Amtrak is gonna leave. I think it's a P-42. Are you kidding me, Dad?
Because you don't listen to me.
Oh, never mind. It's a P-32. Is it? Oh, it's 716 on the trail. No, I mean on the lead. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I meant. Yeah. I bet if I can wave at it, it might honk the horn at me back. I'm trying to wave at it. See if it can. He didn't see me. Oh well. Phase 7 car. 9700. This is another Phase 7 Heritage unit.